friends. So today we're gonna make a bird feeder slash birdhouse kind of deal. So I'm starting with a box. You can use a box, you can use a milk carton, you can use a can, anything that's recyclable that's in your recycling. You could use glass too. I would just be very careful with that because you don't want it to fall and break, or you don't want to get hurt while you're making it. So I'm gonna start by, since this already says hello, I'm gonna make a little door on this side for my house. And this is a part you're gonna wanna have a grown-up help you with, because it can be a little tricky, like that. So I'm just gonna cut that. Cut hello. My door is gonna be a little uneven, but that's okay, as long as it's big enough for our bird friends to fit into. So this will act as the door. Now you can leave enough room and you can put like a popsicle stick or like a lollipop stick in here, like make a little hole and stick it in there for them to step on if you're gonna make it a feeder. If you're gonna make it a house, you can just make a little bit smaller so that they have room to go into. And just be careful, like I still have a little bit of water stuck in here. And if it has a top, you can take the top off on there. And now if you're using just a regular milk crate, you can start decorating. But since I am using a box with words already on it, I'm gonna put some paper on it, like colored paper, and glue it on there. And then you end up with something, and you can draw like this. You can draw little pictures or whatever you want. See, I said bird friends welcome. You're welcome, friends. And that's it, easy peasy. You'll have your grown-up, if you want to hang it, make holes if you're using one of these on one side and on the other side, and you can just string through and knot it and you can hang it. Otherwise, you can just set it on a porch or however you want to set it out for the birds. And that's it, nice and easy. Happy crafting.